It is 2 in the morning. You are still scrolling. You may feel awake, maybe even clear-headed, but inside your body, billions of cells are already sending distress signals. The problem is that you cannot hear their language. So today, let us talk about what staying up late actually does inside your body. Your body has an internal clock. It is called the circadian clock. And it is not just a poetic idea, it is a real timing system. A tiny group of cells deep in your brain helps run this schedule. Scientists call it the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Think of it as a control room that works 24 hours a day. It sends timing instructions to the rest of the body. Your heart, liver, immune system, hormones, metabolism, and temperature all listen to this schedule. The clock is constantly asking one question: is it day or is it night? Its most important clue is light. When sunlight enters your eyes in the morning, the control room reads the signal. The control room tells the body, start the day. When the world gets dark, it should send a different signal: slow down, repair, reset. This system was shaped over hundreds of thousands of years. It is built into your biology. Now here is where late nights cause trouble. When you stay up and stare at a phone or computer, especially in a bright room, you are feeding the control room the wrong signal. Your eyes are saying, there is still light. So the brain delays the night signal. The control room becomes confused. It thinks the day has not ended. It keeps parts of the body in work mode. But many internal systems are already waiting for the night shift. When the clock refuses to call night, those schedules cannot start correctly. It is like an office building that should close at 10 p.m. At night, the lights should go down and the building should close. The cleaners should come in, maintenance should start. But the control system suddenly announces, keep the building open. It is still daytime. So cleaning is delayed, repairs are delayed, the schedule breaks. Your body is that building. Many people think, I will just sleep more tomorrow. But the body is not only a battery. It is also a scheduling system. It depends on stable rhythm, not just the total number of hours. You can think of it like jet lag. If you fly from Beijing to New York, even 8 hours of sleep can still feel awful because the timing is wrong. Frequent late nights create a smaller version of that problem again and again. You are giving yourself a kind of permanent jet lag, and the confusion adds up. That is why staying up late does not only hurt your energy, it shakes the deeper operating order of the body. Next time it is late, imagine the control room inside you staring at a dark window. It is confused, waiting for a clear signal. Giving your body a real night is giving the system a chance to recalibrate.